Oh, where's your
You
smile,
gotta
buddy?
say cheese
Say
and do
cheese.
thumbs up.
Nice.
We came in today to get JJ's braces for his legs remeasured to see if he's outgrown them and to see if we need new ones. In his braces, he's been doing really good. They give him a lot of stability, help keep his legs straight, give him balance so he can walk more with his walker. I was concerned when we heard he first needed braces that he wouldn't tolerate them and that he would fight with getting them on. But after a couple of weeks, they're just part of his wardrobe now, and he knows they go on first thing in the morning, and he's really good about having them on. My experience here has been wonderful. Everyone has been so helpful and cheerful the minute we walk in to the minute we leave. If your child needs braces or needs help with their walking, I'd say this is the place to go. It has been just a wonderful experience. There's been no problems whatsoever, and everything came together really well and really fast. And they work with us as my son grows.